Today I'm going to show you my favorite way to thread a hand sewing needle. So this is going to help you eliminate the need for tying a knot, which often just wants to pop through anyway, and it's also going to make your stitches double strength. So what I'm doing is taking a nice big long piece of thread and folding it in half. Then I'm going to clip this side so we have a nice clean cut. And then I'm actually going to thread both of these tails through the eye of the needle. Like that. Then pull out the tail a little bit. So now we have a loop, and then we have our two tails. The two tails should be much shorter than the loop side. So now this loop is going to become your anchor that you use instead of tying a knot. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to take a stitch in this fabric. Then I'm going to pull the needle through, but not all the way through, so that I can put the needle into that loop. Then pull tight, and you have an anchored stitch without tying a knot. So now you can continue sewing as you would. So let me show you what I mean by when you tie a knot, it always wants to pull through. So here's our strand, and let's tie a little knot at the end. So we have to tie at least a few knots in the same spot. And that's kind of hard to do anyway. If I do choose to use this method, a lot of times I'll actually double it up and twist it and then start tying knots. But it's kind of fiddly and it takes time. So we have a pretty good knot there. So we'll thread the needle. And then we'll take a stitch from underneath so that knot stays on the back side of the fabric. Okay, so this knot actually did anchor since I did so many of them, but look at the back. It looks very messy. So that's always going to be there, where our anchored stitch right here looks very clean. There's no knot, there's no tail. Let's do one more. So now I'm just going to tie a knot, try to make it less noticeable, so not double it up. I'm just going to do 1 and 2. Okay, then I'll take a stitch from underneath. See, if you pull too hard, it just pops right through. So if you get a knot that looks not as noticeable, it wants to pop through. If you can get one that will anchor, it looks noticeable. Or you can just save yourself all that process and just do it the way we did it in the first one. Have a nice anchored stitch, be using a double thread throughout, so it really only has benefits. So I hope this technique helped you. If so, please give my video a like and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.